guys, welcome back to another video of Jurassic Marvel Wizard. It's your host, me, Jurassic Marvel, and today we are going to be doing a book review. Yay! Book reviews are back, and today I am going to be reviewing The Lost Rainforest by Eliot Shreffer. I think it's Shreffer. So I have the hardcover version. I'll link in the description below on where you can get this book. It's an Amazon link. So yeah, this book is about a panther named Maz, who figures out she is eclipse-born, which are animals and eclipse-borns. So there's two sides of the rainforest. There's a nightwalker side and there's a daywalker side. Eclipse-borns are nightwalkers that walk in the day, and daywalkers that walk in the night. And she meets up with this snake called Ariel. It's definitely not the Little Mermaid princess thing. But I think it's Ariel. So yeah, Ariel, Ariel, yeah, whatever her name is, but I mean his. So she meets up. She meets up with Ariel to join a group of more eclipse-borns, and there's the enemy called the Ant Queen, which are trying to destroy the the Shadow Walkers, which are eclipse-born. So there's like different names for eclipse-borns and Shadow Walkers. So there's like two. They're literally the two same things. So you'll hear me say eclipse-borns and Shadow Walkers. So just remember those are the two same things. Yeah. And so, the rating I'd give this book has to be a 4.5 stars. The book is very interesting and it's really catchy. And there's a series. So this is the first book, Mez's Magic. Holding it upside down. Mez's The Lost Rainforest, Mez's Magic. There's also, I think, Rumi's Secret is one of the books. So I'll put a link in the description for all of those books. Yeah, and let's see. There's also, if you get the hardcover book, there is a Q&A. It's a question and answer with the author, Eliot Shreffer. I don't know about the paperback one, but I think you could change the type in the link that I'm giving you. So that's neat. So yeah, that is just a quick 4-minute video about the book and my review. So yeah, see you guys next time in another video of Jurassic Marvel Wizard. I'm just holding the book up so I get the thumbnail like this. Hello. So yeah, see you guys next time. Oh yeah, and the dinosaur in the dinosaur egg, if you watch the video, was an Ankylosaurus. I don't have a picture. I don't have a picture yet, but in the next video I will show it if it's not a mashup. So yeah, see you guys next time in another video of Jurassic Wizard. Yeah. Subscribe, like the video. Yeah, see ya. And yeah, good luck with school. Most people have started school, including me. Yeah, good luck. May the force be with you. See ya.